Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 073-848-1382, and today we have a 2014 Mazda 3 SP23 sedan. Stock reference number 4530. This shape runs from the 11th month 2013 through to the 2nd month 2019. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand rear and the right hand front. We have the left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 3 small dents. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, right hand boot lid garnish, right power door mirror, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory sat nav display screen, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.